Assalamu alaikum, hello all. Welcome to our channel Nutrific. A healthy outside starts from inside. Here we are back with a complete guide on second trimester of pregnancy. Part 1. The topics covered in this video are the physical and the physiological changes which happens to the mother's body during the second trimester, the fetal growth and development during the second trimester, weight gain during the second trimester, physical activity during the second trimester, sex during the second trimester of pregnancy.
The second trimester is the middle 3 months of your pregnancy. It is from week 13 to week 28, roughly 4, 5 and 6 months.
The baby grows larger and stronger, and many women begin showing a larger belly.
Most women find that second trimester is a lot easier than the first, but it's still important to be informed about your pregnancy during the second trimester.
Understanding your pregnancy week by week can help you make informed decisions and prepare for the big changes ahead.
What happens to your body during the second trimester?
Mouth and oral health. Women are more susceptible to oral infections during pregnancy.
Gums can become more sensitive to flossing and brushing, resulting in minor bleeding.
Frequent vomiting could also affect the tooth enamel, making it more susceptible to cavities.
Having a proper dental checkup is much advisable.
During pregnancy, estrogen increases the length of the growing phase of hair follicles, resulting in a thicker and healthier lock of hair.
As estrogen levels fall after birth, women may shed more hair.
Nails also tend to grow faster when a woman is pregnant, but they are brittle and soft and they may split more easily.
Skin changes are very common during pregnancy.
Stretch marks are the most bothersome ones, which are pinkish purplish lines typically seen on a woman's abdomen, breasts, backside, or thighs.
They are most common and cannot be preventable. They also shrink and become less noticeable after giving birth.
Brownish patches of darkened skin may appear on the face due to an increase in melanin, a pigment that gives skin its color.
Fluctuating hormone levels can produce a dark line in middle of the abdomen, and it often fades after delivery.
Freckles, moles, and acne can also worsen during pregnancy.
Breast. A woman's breast may feel more full and tender when she is pregnant, and her nipples may also be more sensitive to touch.
The areolas, that is the skin surrounding the nipples, will darken and enlarge.
Breast will gradually continue to increase in size. A supportive bra with white strap or a sports bra is a must.
Body temperature. Women will tend to feel warmer and sweat a lot during pregnancy due to an increased metabolic rate and increased sweat gland activity.
Joints and ligaments. Pregnancy hormone known as relaxin not only relaxes ligaments in a woman's pelvis to prepare her for labor and delivery, but it also stretches joints and ligaments all over the body.
This can lead to back pain, which runs through the lower back and down the leg.
Feet. Swelling in the feet and ankles may also occur because the body is producing extra fluids that might pool in these areas.
Varicose veins are most common in many pregnant women. Belly. As the uterus expands to make room for the baby, the belly grows and expands in size.
The belly button also pops out.
What happens to the fetus during the second trimester?
Your baby's heartbeat may now be audible through an instrument called Doppler. Nervous system is starting to function.
Reproductive organs and genitalia are now fully developed. By the end of 4th month, the baby is about 6 inches long and weighs about 4 ounces, or 113 grams approximately.
Hair is beginning to grow on your baby's head, and soft fine hairs cover his or her shoulders, back, and temples. This hair protects your baby and usually shed at the end of the baby's first week of life.
Baby skin is covered with whitish coating called vermix caseosa, which is shed just before birth. You may begin to feel your baby move since he or she is developing muscles and exercising them. This first movement is called quickening.
By the end of 5th month, the baby is about 10 inches long, weighs about half to 1 pound, that is 450 gram.
Month 6 of pregnancy. The baby's skin is reddish in color, wrinkled, and veins are visible through the baby's translucent skin. Baby's finger and toe prints are visible. The eyelids begin to part and the eyes open.
The baby may respond to sound by moving or increasing the pulse, and you may notice jerking motions if baby hiccups. By the end of 6th month, the baby is about 12 inches long and weighs about 2 pounds, that is 1 kg.
Weight gain. Women who are of average weight may have an optimal weight gain of about 11 to 13 kgs. 450 gram per week of weight gain during the second trimester is considered usual and normal.
It's normal to gain less weight if you start out heavier, or to gain more weight if you were underweight before pregnancy. Many women become self-conscious about their weight during pregnancy, but the number on the scale is less important than healthy eating.
Dieting to lose weight or preventing weight gain during pregnancy should never be undertaken. Sex. Is it safe to have sex during the second trimester of pregnancy?
The answer is yes. It is perfectly fine and safe to have sex. It neither harms your fetus nor has any adverse impact on your health.
When to avoid sex during the second trimester?
Sex during the second trimester is usually cautioned against in certain cases, such as if you have a history of miscarriage, if you have experienced heavy bleeding,
if you have experienced leakage of amniotic fluid, if you are suffering from placenta previa, where the placenta grows in the lowest part of the uterus, if you have painful sex during pregnancy, it is advised not to continue. Exercise or physical activity during pregnancy. Physical activity during pregnancy improves or maintains the physical fitness.
It helps to prevent GDM, preeclampsia, and improves mental health and possibility of vaginal delivery.
A healthy pregnant woman is advised to do at least 150 minutes per week of moderate intensity aerobic activity.
They should drink enough water before, during, and after physical activity to ensure adequate hydration. Thank you all for watching the video. Hope you have gained more knowledge about second trimester. Stay tuned with us for the part 2 video. Take care, stay safe. Like, share and subscribe our channel.